Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on a 2010 Honda Accord. Super easy to do. Just drop your glove box down. Let's empty it first. And then over here you have this little arm that just kind of is almost like a little shock absorber that allows it to drop down slowly. Just push that back and that unclips it from the actual door. And then we need to push in on either side. See right there? Just kind of flex that in. Same with this one. And then that drops down the box like this. So see, it drops down out of the way. And then here is our little access panel. So reach in here. It's easier to do with two hands, but if you just unclip those and pull this out, you will see a huge mess. Probably why we're experiencing a low flow in this one. The blower fan is just not putting out a lot of air, and I think that's our reason. So let's take this out of the car. You can see it's in this little plastic tray, and it's got the airflow pointing down. So let's just pull this out. And I guess you could clean that, reuse that, right? No, just kidding. That's trash. This is the replacement I got. This is actually a 2-pack, so kind of nice. And you see they've got stamped on the side here the airflow direction. We'll just take out one. Looks like it's at least the same size. Doesn't have these supporting ribs in the cross section, but I think we'll be all right. Just shake that out, and again, just match that airflow. See, it's going down. The pleats are going this direction, but you can just still see the arrow printed there that it's pointing down. Just press that in place. Make sure that it lines up on this back section here. It almost has like a little ledge that catches that last pleat. Okay, there it is, ready to go back in. And just slide that in, and you'll hear it click or snap into place. Just make sure it's seated in there. And then the glove box, you just lift it up, and you can see that these little plastic tabs will just press in and it catches. And then our little shock absorber, our little arm here that's almost like a dampener, just pull that down and clip it right back on to the little ledge there. Put our manuals back in there. And you're done. Quick and easy job. As you can see, huge improvement over what we had there. And I imagine that has to do with some of our blower restriction in this vehicle as well. Hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up the same filters as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.